Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is one of the best backyard projectors available, the NexiGo PJ40 Gen 3. If you're looking to transform your outdoor space into a stunning home theater experience, this projector is definitely worth your attention. The NexiGo PJ40 boasts a native 1080p resolution, delivering crisp and clear images that make watching movies outside feel like you're in a real cinema. It supports 4K input as well, so whether you're streaming or connecting your favorite devices, the picture quality remains impressive. With a brightness of 700 ANSI lumens, it's bright enough to handle dimly lit evenings outdoors, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp visuals. What's more, it comes D65 calibrated with a color accuracy that's so precise, the difference is almost impossible for the human eye to detect. Meaning you get natural and true-to-life colors every time. One of the standout features is the projector's size versatility. You can project an image anywhere between 50 to 300 inches, allowing you to tailor the viewing experience to your backyard or any indoor space. It also offers up to 100% digital zoom, so you can easily adjust the screen size without moving the projector. The 4D manual keystone correction, which adjusts vertically and horizontally, plus automatic vertical correction, helps you correct any image distortion from different projection angles, so your picture is always perfectly aligned. Sound quality is just as important as visuals when it comes to outdoor entertainment, and the NexiGo PJ40 doesn't disappoint. It features built-in 20-watt speakers that deliver powerful, immersive audio. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, you can wirelessly connect your own headphones or external speakers. For a customized sound experience, which is perfect for late-night movie sessions without disturbing the neighbors. Another impressive aspect is the projector's noise management system. It includes an adjustable fan speed with levels ranging from 1 to 10, allowing you to control the noise output. At its quietest, the fan noise measures just around 35 decibels, so it won't interfere with your movie or game audio. Connectivity is versatile and convenient with the NexiGo PJ40. It supports wireless screen mirroring for iOS, Android, and Windows devices over 5 GHz Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for extra cables or adapters. For physical connections, it's equipped with 2 HDMI ports that support HDMI 2.0 in CEC, 2 USB ports, AV input, an Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. This makes it compatible with a wide range of devices including TV sticks, gaming consoles, laptops, and smartphones. The projector's latest cooling system keeps the device running efficiently without overheating, which extends its lamp life up to 30,000 hours. This means you can enjoy years of entertainment without worrying about replacement bulbs. All these features come in a sleek and portable black design, making it easy to carry and set up wherever you want to enjoy your movie nights or gaming marathons. In summary, the NexiGo PJ40 Gen 3 is a feature-rich, high-performance projector that excels in delivering bright, sharp visuals and powerful sound for outdoor and indoor use. Its combination of native 1080p resolution, wide screen size capability, excellent color calibration, and versatile connectivity options makes it a top contender for anyone wanting to elevate their backyard entertainment. If you're serious about creating a cinematic experience under the stars, the NexiGo PJ40 is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. See you next time.